going on, guys? So we have a 17-year-old American Standard heat pump. Does a bonus area above a garage here, and there's another company I guess was working on it, and this is, I don't know, they have a home warranty. So there's an issue with some work being done. The compressor, it's still not working, and now we are here. So we've got 407C in it, and look down in the bottom. You probably can't see that very well. I'm not going to take the top off, but this is an Arco compressor. Now, if you replace scroll compressors around here working for home warranty companies, they are going to supply the compressor, and they are going to send you an Arco scroll compressor. And those are rebuilt, remanufactured compressors. And they've got about a 50% failure rate if they even pump refrigerant at all. Either they come on, they don't pump, or they just short and go out again. But anyway, let's see what we got. And it looks like that's been replaced too. And what in the world is this? I don't know how well you can see that, but it's like somebody's been beaten on the reversing valve tubes, trying to, and it's a new reversing valve, looks like to me. And look at the dents in these little capillary tubes. Right there. Guys, you don't beat on a reversing valve. What in the world? So let's hook some gauges up to it. From what I'm understanding, the power's been turned off to it. I mean, come on. I'm curious to see what this thing does. I mean, who in the world does that? All right. So here's our standing pressures, 124 and 167. Now this has got 407C in it. Keep that in mind. So let's put some power on it and temperature probes on it and see what happens. Absolutely nothing. We are not pumping any refrigerant at all. We're pulling 5.3 amps. moving any refrigerant at all. So I'm going to go along here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to check my temperatures on all these lines right here. Pretty much if all those line temperatures are the same, it's going to confirm that this thing is not moving any refrigerant in it. So discharge line 108. True suction 106 right there. And we're at 99 there. We're at 102 right there. I mean, I just got some bleeding back right there. I mean, it's hot. If it wasn't moving refrigerant, I don't think it would be hot. I mean, that's up to 116 degrees right now. And it's getting hot, so there's something coming off that compressor, because it's much cooler down here. So I don't know if this reversing valve's hung up. We've got a decent amp draw on this compressor. It almost feels like everything out here is just circulating right in this area. And I'm guessing this is part of the reason for it. They have crimped down and beat and flattened these things here. So I don't think there's a problem with that compressor. I think this valve is just stuck in here and we're just bleeding because that line's getting hot. So there's some heat getting pulled out of this thing and discharged a little bit, but I think it's just all sitting out here swirling around. So maybe they burned it up, I don't know. But you damn sure aren't supposed to hit a reversing valve with anything whatsoever. I mean, that's just silly. Alright guys, appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll do a follow-up on see what fixes this thing. I'm calling it a reversing valve. Thanks for watching, guys.